Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my vlog. Yeah, it's been a while since I've done another vlog, but today I am basically going to be showing you organizing um, because I'm going to be decluttering a lot in the next 2 days. So, मैंने सोचा why not show you guys how I do it and just make a vlog out of it as well. The first thing, of course, was we woke up this morning and me and Makar, we just felt so good about today. And so we decided to go for a long walk. We did that. We grabbed coffee. We sat outside and, had coffee and just had our breakfast outside somewhere on the street. It was really nice and spontaneous, and it was a really good start to the morning. And then I came home, had a shower, and now the first thing I'm doing is changing bed sheets because I don't have a lot of time because then I'll have to pick Mikhail up from kinder. So the first thing first is that I need to change the bedding, fix up my room, and then the only time I have left is a couple of hours, which is about 3 to 4 hours for today, because 12 bajne wale hain and I only have, that's that many hours. So in that, I'm going to be doing Mikhail's toy area, the whole toy section, fix it up because it's getting a little messier and I can't take it. And when he cannot find things, then it just drives me crazy because usko pata hai, agar wo cheez kahin rakhta hai, it is his responsibility to know where it is. It's not my job to look for his toys. So I just need to fix it all up and I'll show you guys how I do it. But first, let's change the bedding. So I'm sure most of you know how many, like I'm obsessed with bedding, so yeah, don't mind. So this is all my bedding section, and these are all my quilt covers. So let me see what I'm getting. I want to get something like nice and breezy and like soft, like not too much going on. Maybe I should get this. That's a nice color. It's my favorite. It's from Adair's. I have loved it since day one, though I think I'll do this one. So let me show you guys. And it's done. What do you guys think? I was gonna go for something simple, I think I said. Yeah, but this is giving a whole new vibe to my room, and I don't mind it actually. Yeah, I don't mind it. What do you guys think? Anyway, so the bed is done. I need to take all this laundry from my room and take it down. And can you see all this mess here? Yeah, that's my dressing table. And that needs to be cleaned up next. But abhi main niche jaungi. I am gonna make myself a cup of tea. And then I am going to start on Mikhail's toy area so that, yeah, I can wrap it up before I have to pick him up. So I'll see you soon. Let's get started. So look at all these toys. Anyway, so this is the entire area he has, and I'm gonna work through it and see what I can do, and just make it more, I guess make it more clean so he can easily find things here. Yeah, and let's see how we go. So I'll show you guys what I do. Yeah. right, guys, I have finished off Mikael's play area, and I'm gonna quickly show you a close-up of what it looks like now. It took me an hour, so not bad. But whatever you're gonna see here is all that he plays with. There's no extra toys lying around for him to play with. The toys that he has grown out of, they are kept away. So the ones that are still in good condition, I've still kept them in case for baby number two. And the ones that, he was not into and were still in good condition, they've been given to charity. And yeah, and the other ones that are broken, they've been chucked away in recycling. So I'll just quickly show you what I have done and explain everything that has been done. Okay? Okay, to start off, this is so these three are the biggest vehicles or cars, whatever you call them, he has. So they just stay here because I really don't have more space for it because this is a rental property, so I only have limited space. I moved his table and chair here. It was previously there, but I've moved it here just to make the place a little more different looking for him. And also, I wanted to make everything very easily accessible to him. When the previous setup was that this cupboard was there, and that was according to his age. There were some things that he wasn't really, into at that stage, and he wasn't really playing with it, wasn't interested, though that worked. But now that he's into everything that is here, I had to make this cupboard easily accessible for him and so that he can just reach out and grab things instead of me helping him out all the time. So, first thing first, this is this tray that I got from Kmart. It has all his toys, all his basically car, vehicles toys. The top section is all the big ones, and then it just moves down to the smaller ones. He still has some cars lined around there. I haven't moved them because he strictly said not to move them when he left for kinder today. So I'm not touching them. This is his desks. So he has this desk and this desk. And this is his learning program from Rocket Readers. So I've just kept them here because if he ever wants to, do some studying or wants to do some learning, I can easily just grab it from here and do it. Previously, this was facing the cupboards and it was really hard for him to open this. So he had to literally move this. But now that's out of the way. This is his Kinetics tiles, magnetic tiles. So it's a whole box. So I've just kept it here. It's easily, he can pull it out now and play with it. Now, over here is his bigger truck with all the mini cars, the small cars. These are his Lego cars, and God knows what else is he making. This twining box of tea, I have converted it into more small cars. So I'll just show you. Look at that. They're never ending. So I've just kept that here for him because he plays with them together. This is his little crane that he plays with as well. So I've kept it on the top. So it looks really nice actually on the top. Under the cupboard, his animal figurines. So he has started playing with them a lot lately. He's very much into animals now. So I've kept some in the Ziploc bag and some in the plastic container. And these are his other cars that I could move in there. So they're there. Now I'll just explain the cupboards. So this is his books, his puzzles, everything educational. He would pull out a book whenever he wants to, and he would just read a book. So these are all his books and puzzles. These are also some puzzles, some like learning to spell. Yeah, more educational stuff he has been doing here. And he loves this pad. A must have, such a good investment. I got this from Amazon. This one is his Lego, his cashier, his doctor kit, and he knows where this goes. this is all his activity books. So this section is all activity books, from spelling, writing, tracing, mazes, coloring, water painting. All his activity books are here. This is his sensory play area. So this is all his Play-Doh stuff, some magnetic tiles. These are for sensory because it has lights on. So yeah. This is all his pretend play area. So he's got like his Batman costume, his Bob the Builder costume, and this is his train track that I've just kept here because it didn't have any other place to go to. So that's about it. Yeah. So what did you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. I would really appreciate some feedback. But this is all I could do because we're renting right now. So inshallah, when we move into our own house, it will all look different. I've got a whole new plan for it. So yeah, let's hope that happens soon. So guys, we are back home and Mikael is just washing his hands. So I'm really excited for him to see his new play area. Let's see even if he notices it. So let's see what's gonna happen now. Are you ready, Mikael? Are you done washing your hands? No. Okay, I'm waiting.
He said we're going to do something. He said, are you done? We can do something.
Do you notice something different?
Huh?
Do you notice something different?
No.
In your play area?
No.
No?
No.
Where is your cupboard? Where's your... Yep. That was not successful. Mikael, are you sure you cannot see? Where is your cupboard?
Who changed that?
Who changed that? I did.
I don't want it to be changed.
But I changed it because so you can find things easily. Huh?
But who changed it?
I did. I worked so hard.
What?
Now you can open all the cupboards and find all your toys.
Well, I miss Pengy.
You miss what?
Pengy.
What?
Call him Pengy.
Oh, the penguin. Yeah. See, now you can open all the cupboards.
Where did you find it?
It was in the cupboard.
In the cupboard.
Yeah.
I love you.
Okay, I guess you're just happy about the penguin, not your mom's hard work on fixing your play area, making more space for you,
Aisha,
and cleaning it all up.
Aisha, why does he need a jumper?
So anyways, guys, that was the reaction that I got. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. What are you doing?
I want to come.
You want to come?
Penguin.
So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.
Yay!
Yay! Mwah.
Penguin.
Say bye.
Yay!
Say bye.